Spirituality is affirmations, not praying. You know what I'm saying? It's affirmations. So it's you saying what it's going to be. It's you telling them, yo, my chi, Chuku, that is the supreme creator. Whatever it is in you people's tribe, because that's why you have to find out your own people's spirituality so that you be talking from your own people's spirituality, what they are agreeing on. So Chuku, your chi, your water people, your ancestors, tell them to come. You say, my water people come, my ancestors come, my chi come. Come, let's use this water and agree on something. I am going for Alpha. I need you people to help me get a clear reading to open the eye of the Biafra, to open his Osena that he may see whatever is the problem, and for him to be able to speak it directly and clearly so that we can get a solution. Let's use this water as a communion on this. Please, anything that will make us not have a good reading, you people should remove it, because I need to be aligned with you people, my umo. I need to be properly aligned with you people. So please let them find anywhere where there is an issue, and so that we can fix it, so that I can stand for you people and you people will stand for me fully. This I declare in the name of Chuku, the Supreme Creator, and Ani, and then the powers of our land, our land powers, like Indian, that is in the Ezumezu. Everybody, all the Mumo, in their name, in their authority. That's how you prepare for Alpha.